Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all a small haul of goodies I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in this bag. That's going to make it as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what the glam find in Dollar Tree this time. And this time it is all about the Bolero skincare products that popped right back up in Dollar Tree, and you know I was there for it, okay? I was there for it. Let me tell y'all something. Bolero have since added a foot scrub and a face scrub in their product line. I know, right? I was blown away. I'm only showing you these few, but you already know my MO. You know I got more than just what I'm showing you. So, when it comes to the face scrub right here, this is a coconut and vanilla cream gentle face scrub, which looks like this right here. And what this is promising to do is, it says here it's going to exfoliate your skin for one, and it's going to detoxify your skin too. So it helps to detox your skin free from dirt, oil, and pollution. And this is also infused with pure vanilla and coconut extract, okay? This right here, like I said, is a coconut and vanilla cream gentle face scrub, which is looking like this right here. They also have the foot scrub, and this here again is coconut and vanilla cream, but the foot scrub promises to moisturize, okay? You don't want dry, cracked heels on your feet. It promises to moisturize, brighten, okay, and exfoliate your feet, okay? And it's looking just like this right here. So when you buy them, try to be mindful that you're not putting, you know, the foot scrub one on your face, because I kid you not, the packaging looks practically identical, and you honestly would have to literally read it to make sure you know which one you're using. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a magic marker. This is my lipstick. I will not be using this, child, but you know, just as a reference point, I'm going to take a magic marker and I'm going to put a big X on one of them, and the X is going to let me know it's not the other one, but it's the one that I'm using. Like, you get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? All I'm saying is just be mindful not to mix these two together when you go to use them on your skin. But like I said, this is the foot scrub and you got the face scrub. I was so excited when I saw that, okay? This is a tiny haul because I honestly don't have much. So still going on with the scrubs, all right? They also have the cranberry and sweet orange body scrub, and this one is infused with coffee powder that helps to scrub away dry, flaky skin, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. Your skin will take on a new, refreshed glow with a toxin-free, toxin-free, radiant glow that makes you feel completely rejuvenated and relaxed. This sounds like it's a spa inside a bottle that only gonna cost you $1 to achieve, okay? Hello, this is it right here. So it's the Bolero body scrub, and this is the one that's cranberry and sweet orange, and it is infused with coffee powder. So I have that right there. I was hoping to have seen the coconut and vanilla one. I did not see it in my Dollar Tree, but if they have the cranberry and orange, I'm sure they have that coconut one. I just gotta find it. So the last thing I want to share with you, and then this video is over because like I said, it was a super small haul. I picked up some facial masks, okay? This one is a coconut and vanilla cream facial mask that looks like this right here. And on it, it says that this is a soothing paper mask which leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revived. And the gentle ingredients of coconut cream and vanilla enhance the relaxing experience to help cleanse away your toxins. So this is the, like I said, coconut and vanilla paper mask. Looks like this right here. I also picked up the cranberry and sweet orange one that looks like this. And again, it's a paper mask. And this one says the gentle ingredients of cranberry and sweet orange enhance the relaxing experience and help cleanse away your toxins. So yes, God, I got that one right there. And the last one that I want to share with you is a paper foot mask. Yeah, this is the paper foot mask. So after you use your foot scrub, okay? First you can use your foot scrub, then you can use your paper mask. That's right here, which is going to give you more moisture and smooth skin after using. At least that's what the packaging say. I'm so excited to have these products right here because I'm going to try at least the foot scrub and the mask tonight. You know me, I'm definitely going to let you know and share my thoughts with you on how and if these really honestly did work for me. But then again, when it comes to Bolero, I have yet to have a negative experience with that brand. So on that note, dolls, oh wait, one more thing. Oh my gosh, totally random, nothing to do with Bolero, but I did pick up a new notebook. Now this notebook in particular, I'm trying to get out the packaging as I'm talking to you. I picked up this notebook in particular simply because it says master plan on it, okay? And I've really gotten into writing my goals down, giving myself weekly goals to achieve certain things that I'm doing to help push me forward and to keep me on positive reinforcements, okay? So this one says master plan, and I want to come in closer. So see how it has the engravement right there? I am loving that detail right there. It has the engravement, and when I move it, see that right there? It has the engravement. This is the main reason why I even purchased this book, because I like the engravement on there. And then it's looking like this when you open it, and of course it's just, you know, blank pages. It's just blank pages, but the fact remains that it says master plan, and I love the fact that it'll help, you know, help me stay grounded. It'll help me stay focused as I write my goals out and my plans for what I'm tending to do that week and anything else that I just want to write in here doing. Always remembering it's part of my master plan. So on that note, dolls, for real, this did just conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.